What is up, everyone? In this video I will be doing a review of a really cool platform known as Vexels. It's a place where you can find ready-made graphics for every purpose. And be sure to stay till the end because I'll be announcing a giveaway that I'm doing that you can enter to win a free account with Vexels. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer and we will get started. This is Vexels.com and they've recently updated their site, so it's really user-friendly and really easy to navigate throughout their site. So they have it broken up into merch and design. Merch is more for merch designers and people who are doing POD, so you can find graphics, PSD files, and mockups. And then the design is more for corporations and branding. You can find more things like business cards, templates, logos, and presentations. And I'll quickly show you the design section. So you can search any type of vector you'd want. So if you hit this drop-down arrow, you can search vectors, PSDs, PNG, icons, logos, and then you can search specific things that you're looking for. As you scroll down, you can browse by topic, so there's icons, different patterns, backgrounds, logos, which is really cool. You can create your own logo, and then they have really nice templates for speeding up the process. As you continue to scroll down, you'll have these featured vector illustrations, so a lot of different options depending on what you're wanting to do. And then you'll see you can create your logo here. So they have the online logo maker, make custom logo online. We'll go ahead and launch the logo maker and I'll show you quickly what you are able to do. So help us create tailored designs for you. You can create a logo in 3 steps. You'll enter your company name. I'll just do Brennan Dopp for this example. Hit next. What is your logo for? So the tailor design for you. So I'll just do clothing. So clothing fashion. And you'll see they tailor a bunch of different logos for you, and you can scroll through here and see all of the different options, and if you find one, you can use that for your brand. If there's something in here that you do not like, you can go over here on the left hand side where it says blank, and you can create a logo from scratch. And there's a lot of different options with this, so you can search different graphics. There's over 70,000 different graphics. So you'll see all of the options here, as well as you can search specific things if there's something specific that you're looking for. You can add text to the logo as well as change the style of the font and the text. You can upload your own images to create your logo from scratch, and the design tool makes it really easy for creating a really high professional logo for your brand. As you continue to scroll down, you'll see you can download transparent PNGs and SVGs. And then they have these templates that you can use, which makes it really easy for branding your store. And then the PSD mockups for whatever you're doing. So many options within Vexels, and this is just the beginning. We'll now focus on the merch side of things because there's so much you can do to help scale your Etsy business and your print-on-demand business. So here, merch, perfect for merch sellers looking to improve their designs and business. We'll go ahead and select Go to Merch. So the best design platform for t-shirt and merch sellers. You'll see designs compatible with Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy, Cafe Press, and Zazzle, which is so cool. You can get licensing to use these really high quality professional designs that are created by professional graphic designers. Here you can search in the bar for whatever you're looking for. You'll see autofills, but you can search specific things. And here on the drop-down menu, you can search merch vectors, PSD templates, and PNGs for merch. As you continue to scroll down, you'll see featured t-shirt designs. Here you can find a lot of different designs for tote bags, for throw pillows, for your t-shirts, planners, whatever you're doing print on demand for, you can find it within Vexels. And it helps streamlines everything and helps speeds up the design process so you can start increasing listings in your store and start increasing sales. As you continue to scroll down, you'll see you can find the best designs for you, so you can search by hottest designs, latest merch designs, and I'll show you browse by categories just so you can get an idea. It makes it really easy for finding specific graphics that you're looking for to design in. And there's a lot of cool different patterns and textures you can find for doing all over print, and the options are endless when you're using Vexels. You can browse graphics by niche, so coffee, funny, cats, KDP, whatever you're doing. If your store is selling only unicorn merch, the options are endless for unicorn designs. You can download these scalable t-shirt PSDs, which is really handy. You can bring these edible t-shirt PSDs into Photoshop and then slightly change the color of the butterfly or the text, whatever it is, so you can pull a lot of designs from one specific design. Vexels makes it super easy to quickly add a ton of designs to your store to build out your listing count so you can start increasing sales in your store today. You'll see they have the online t-shirt maker. This is so cool. So if you launch the t-shirt maker, I'll show you a quick example of how it works. So you'll see what you can do here with their t-shirt maker. It makes it super easy for creating designs. We'll go ahead and start creating. And you'll notice here you can also do mockups on Vexels, which I'll talk more about later on. But for creating a t-shirt design, you'll see here on the left-hand side, you can search over 70,000 graphics. There's a ton of options to choose from, and you can search anything specific to what you're looking for. So I'll search dolphin and see what they have. They have all of these different types of dolphins that you can use. For this example, I'll select this one. So you just select the graphic that you want. And then you can toggle on the print area here to make sure you're designing in the print area. You can adjust the size of the graphic, move it up and down, side to side, wherever you want it. If you want to add another graphic, let's go over here. Let's say we want to search a wave, and we'll see what they have for waves here. So if I want this one, I'll just select it, and then I can drag it down, make it smaller, adjust it accordingly to how I want. You can easily move graphics behind, so if you want to send to back, just send it to back, and it makes it super easy for creating a really cool high professional design using their graphics that they've already created. If you want to change the color of the graphic, just select the graphic that you want to edit, then up here on the color wheel, you just select the color wheel and then choose whatever color you want to edit. So if you want to change the black, you want to change that to yellow, you can do that. If you want to reset it, just hit reset here. And below the graphics, you'll see this little pencil here. These are t-shirt templates. So you can go and find any of these templates that you like. And once you find one that you like, you can select it. Bring it over to your mockup, and you can turn on your toggle print area here. And if you want to edit this in any way, you can. So you can select this text here, and I want to change vintage, and I'll change this to Brennan, or whatever you want it to say. You can change the year as well. You can change the color. So if you want to change the color of the graphic, you select the graphic that you want to edit, hit the color wheel up here, and then you can select whatever color you want to edit. So if you want to change the yellow to a different color, just hit yellow, and then change it to a purple or whatever it is that you want. Once done, you'd hit apply. And if you want to reset it, same thing, you just hit reset. So really easy to use, especially for someone that has very limited graphic design skills. Vexels is the way to go. Below the t-shirt templates, you have text. So if you want to add text, you can. So let's say you want to add arch text, you just add that there. You can see it here, and you can make it bigger. And with the text, you can change it however you'd like. So you can change the font style, the sizing, you can change the shape of it. So if you want it more arch or less arch, the options are endless. Below the text, you have uploading your own images. So if you want to upload designs that you created maybe in Over or in Procreate or other platforms, you can drag those into Vexels to add them to create a complete design. And then below that is your saved drafts and then your layers. If you want to adjust your layers, you select the Layers tab down here and you can adjust them accordingly. So if you want to delete a layer, you can just hit the trash can. So really easy to use as a beginner who has very limited graphic design skills. The T-shirt Maker tool is such a great way to streamline the workflow of designing. Once you've completed your design, you can just hit save. It'll save it to your drafts, and the drafts will be saved under your profile here. If you want to create a new design, you just hit this button right here. But I plan to do more tutorials on the T-shirt Maker in the future, and I'll do a more in-depth process. But we will continue on with the other awesome features of Vexels. So as we continue to scroll down, you'll see they have transparent PNGs for merch, which is really nice. So you can download any of these straight to your computer. So if you want an astronaut, you can select the astronaut here. And the same thing here, if you want to adjust the colors of the graphic, you can select the color wheel here, choose what color you want to edit, and then you can change the color to whatever it is that you want. They also have a pin dropper tool so you can get the exact specific color that you would like. When you're ready to download this graphic, you can just hit download, and then you can choose if you want to download it as a PNG or an SVG. You can also select the size that you want the graphic to be. So hit this drop down arrow, and you can choose these pre-selected sizes, or you can create a custom size if you'd like. Once you have your sizing, you just hit the check mark, and that will download directly to your computer. As you scroll down, you'll see more related content, so the options are endless when it comes to graphics on Vexels. Next up is the mockups for merch. So you can create your own mockups on Vexels. They have a lot that you can download, as well as you can create mockups with their mockup generator. So first we'll check out the C-Merch mockups. We'll see what they have available, and they have a ton of different options, and a lot of them are really nice, and they're always adding to this. So with these mockups, you can download these directly to your computer. You can open them up in Photoshop, and then you can edit them accordingly. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use a site such as Photopea, which looks like this. It's photopea.com. This is just like Photoshop, but it's free. You just import your PSD file and then adjust it accordingly. So it makes it really easy. And they have mockups not only for clothing, you can also do mugs, phone cases, whatever it is that you're selling on print on demand. You can find the mockups right here on Vexels. So now we'll check out the mockup generator. In the mockup generator, you're able to upload your graphics, so you can create the mockups right here in Vexels and download them to your computer to upload them to your shop. So this is a graphic I downloaded from Vexels, and you can add it to any type of shirt or sweatshirt that you're wanting to sell. You can choose the type of model that you want it on, But as you scroll through here and select the different mockups, it will add that design to that specific mockup. Once you've added your design, you can change the size of the graphic up here, just make it bigger or smaller, however you would like. You can also rotate it if you want. You can also change the color of the shirt. So they have the Merch by Amazon product colors. If you have like a Bella Cameras 3001 or a Gildan shirt, you can type in the hex code right here to get the exact color that you're looking for your mockup. And then they have different background colors, so you can change the background color of the mockup. And there's a lot of different options for you. And they also allow you to put a filter on the mockup if you would like. So a lot of different options with their mockup generator. Once you've created the mockup that you want, you go ahead and click download here and download to your computer, then you can go and upload that to your shop. If you can't find the exact design that you're looking for, you can actually request a custom design on Vexels, which is really cool. So I'll show you how that works. You'll need to select make a design request. This is where you will share your idea, and if it has any text, you'll include that there, as well as share example photos so they'll have an idea of what you want it to look like. And you'll click make a design request. Once you've submitted your design request, they'll get back to you within a week or two with your design. So a really cool feature within Vexels. As you browse their site, you'll realize how easy it is to navigate. The top toolbar here just makes it really easy to find exactly what you're looking for. So you have graphics, you can browse by whatever you want to browse by, you can search specific products here. There are different tools, so your mockup generator, T-shirt maker, logo maker, that can all be found right here. They have this merch digest, which is really handy. It's a way to stay updated on merchandise and on trends specific to graphic design. So you'll see they have a merch digest for each month. For June, we'll check out real quick. They'll give you different tips on current trends that are happening right now, as well as they will include dates to be mindful of, so things that are coming up. So here they'll have the different dates, different holidays that are coming up, and it's just a great way to stay informed and to be up to date on current trends and to catch trends before they're oversaturated. The Merch Digest has a lot of valuable information to read through. Okay, and then over here you have latest, so these are the latest designs that they've added. Then they have their trending designs and feature designs. And then on the right side you have Discover, it's just another way to navigate through their site in a really clean way. Now let's check out the pricing for Vexels. For doing print on demand and selling on the Etsy marketplace, you will want to sign up for a merch account. And you can either sign up for a monthly account or an annual account. If you sign up for the annual account, you'll get a bigger discount. There's 3 different major plans that you can sign up for. The biggest difference between them is just the amount of downloads you can have per month and the amount of design requests that you can have. So you can see the Merch plan is 100 downloads, Merch Plus is 200 downloads, and the Merch Ultimate is 2,000 downloads. And it all depends on how much you think you will be using Vexels and how many graphics you will be wanting to download. If you sign up for an annual account, you'll see you get discounted 25% off. But if you sign up with my link that is in the description, you will receive 35% off on any annual plan or lifetime plan. And I'll show you the different options. So right now I have an exclusive graphic deal with Vexels where you will get 35% off. So if you click on that link that is in the description, you can also download this free bundle where you have an assortment of astrology, zodiac, summer, and retro sunset. So it's a bunch of free graphics that you can download now for free. So highly suggest getting. And you see we have the 35% discount here. If you sign up with my link, you'll get 35% off on the annual plan. So you can either do the Plus plan or the Ultimate plan. The biggest difference is just the amount of downloads. Or you can sign up for a lifetime plan. So the biggest difference between the lifetime plan is you only pay once. So it's a one-time payment and it's $550 and you'll have full access to all of the graphics forever. If you're paying for an annual plan or a monthly plan, you will only have access to those graphics when your plan is active. So that's one benefit to signing up for a lifetime plan is you'll have access to them forever and it's only a one-time payment. So it's whatever fits you best. If you don't want to do an annual plan or a lifetime plan, they do have the option to sign up for a monthly plan. They have the Merch Plus monthly, it's $49 per month and you get 4 designs requests per month and then 200 downloads per month. Or the Merch Ultimate monthly, which is 8 design requests per month and 2,000 downloads per month, and that's $99 per month. And right now, if you sign up for an annual plan or a lifetime plan before July 7th, you will be entered into a giveaway to receive a free account with Vexels. There will be one winner, and that will be announced on my Facebook group as well as on my channel, so make sure you do not miss out on that exclusive deal. And just so you're aware, the lifetime plan is only available through my link, which is in the description. I think this is really important to note here. If you sign up for Vexels and you decide you don't like it for whatever reason, you can cancel it at any time. And if you cancel your subscription within the first 15 days of your purchase, and you have also downloaded 30 or less resources, you are entitled to a full refund on your subscriptions. And that's something to keep in mind in case you're hesitant about signing up for Vexels. My honest opinion of Vexels is it's worth every single penny because it helps streamlines the designing process and can help kickstart your print-on-demand business. You have to have decent designs in order to have success in this business, and Vexels enables you to do that. If you're interested in signing up for Vexels, be sure to use my link that is in the description so you can get the 35% off and be entered into that giveaway to win a free account with Vexels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.